So we are today going to my waterfall. I call it my waterfall because it's a secret waterfall. Tani's not used to being on a lead, and she's on a lead quite simply because we're in snake territory. There is a lot of adders kick about around here and it's a hot day, so the chances are they'll be basking in the sunshine. And we've just negotiated a big area of bracken, so she's been on the lead for the whole of that. We are now approaching the quarry. Go on, go on. Ooh, quarry stuff. So if I'm going to fall in anywhere, it's definitely in a rock that's got no grip and a big gap. There's a tree falling, kind of blocking the jump spot. I'm now covered in bugs after climbing through that tree. So that was the most awkward bit to negotiate. Now we're getting somewhere. We're at the pool with the slide. We're now deep in the gorge and we're at the waterfall. A couple of years since I've been up here, and it's quite a sentimental place to me. I just love spending time up here, just getting away. No signal, no stress, no hassle. The sound of water is just bliss. It's beautiful. Look at this guy. He's a beauty.